Hello friends, this is Zishan. I'll be talking about the review and various features of my Amazfit Bip smartwatch. So I am using this watch from the past 1.5 years. So it's an amazing watch. You can see this is the watch. So the belt is made up of soft rubber material, and it also has a scratch resistant screen, and the body of the watch is the dial of the watch is made up of fiber like material. This is the sensor for monitoring the heart rate, and these are the points for charging the watch. So this watch gives an amazing battery life. So if I don't connect this watch to my mobile and use it directly on my hand, it gives me a battery life of about 25 to 30 days. So if you are using if you are connecting this watch to the mobile phone, and if you are increasing the usage, it may give you a battery life of around 10 to 15 days. The watch has a very smart and beautiful look when I wear it on my hand. So the watch looks like this. So this watch has a unique feature of continuously on display. Even if the watch is switched off, the display is visible, and you can see the time, date, and whatever the applications you set. So coming to the functions of the watch, the watch has a button here. So when you press the button, the light illuminates. So it has a status, activity, weather, Alipay, alarm, timer, compass, and settings. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So altogether it has 8 applications in it. So coming to the status, so when you click the status, it shows the steps which we have walked today. It shows the blood pressure monitor. It also shows how many kilometers we have walked or activity we have done. It also displays the amount of calories which you have burned and any other sessions. So when you go to the activity, so it shows outdoor running, treadmill activity, cycling, walking, activity history, and activity settings. So for example, if you go to activity and outdoor running, so suppose you want to go for running or jogging, so you have to set it like this. So this watch connects to the GPS, and it shows the map as well as the various functions. So you can see. So when you activate this, it shows the time. It also shows the speed, how many kilometers per hour, and also it shows how many kilometers we have covered. So if you long press this button, you can stop the activity. So suspended end, don't save the due to distance is too short, and okay, so we have end there. So same way, treadmill, suppose if you want to go for cycling, if you click the cycling, the watch connects to the GPS satellite and it gets activated. So it shows the time. It also shows the speed, kilometers per hour, and also it shows the kilometers covered, and also it connects to the GPS satellite, and when you connect the watch to the phone, it also shows the map of your route. So I'm going to end this. So same way for walking, activity history, it shows the various activities which we have carried out. So last I had gone for cycling on the 9th of May, you can see 2020, and it's showing the route of my cycling. It also shows how many kilometers the walking. This is the walking history. It's showing how many kilometers I had gone, and it's also showing the route of my walking. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4 histories have been saved. So coming to activity settings, so it shows the heart rate. So when the heart rate is too high, it notifies us. Notifications are given in the form of vibration. There is no sound or music in this watch. It only notifies us in the form of vibrations. So it shows it. We can set up the heart rate alert, same way pace alert, distance alert. So suppose if you cover more than 5 kilometers, the watch vibrates and alerts you about the distance. Next is about the weather. So in order to display the weather, the watch needs to be connected to the mobile phone and to the internet connection. So if you connect the watch to the mobile phone and internet, it shows the information about the weather and weather conditions. Next is Alipay. This is also an inbuilt feature of the watch. I think it's something about any method of paying money or something or other. I am not using this app right now. The next function of this watch is alarm. So when you click the alarm, you can at a time you can set 3 alarm times at a time. So next, it also has a countdown timer. So inside the timer you get the stopwatch as well as the countdown timer. So next is, it also has an digital compass, so you can see the direction. It shows the north, east, west and south directions. So the compass needs to be calibrated from time to time to get accurate results. It also has settings. So when you go to the settings, you can see it is having the watch face. There are different faces available. So if you want to even download more faces, you can download it from the app store. You need to connect the watch to the mobile phone, and from the internet you can download more watch faces. It also has other settings like long press button. So if you press the button long, it goes to the shortcuts apps. Adjust the brightness. If you want to adjust the brightness, you can adjust. So this is the adjust the brightness button. So find device, about and factory reset. So this is all about the short review and tips and tricks about my Amazfit Bip smartwatch. Thank you for watching my video.